Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Ansi and you're watching Brown Girl DIYs. So I don't know about you guys, but whenever I travel or just head out for a sketching day, packing art supplies can be a bit of a headache. You want to have everything you need, but at the same time you don't want to carry a lot of brushes or risk damaging them. So that's why I was so curious about the set from Fuumuui. What I already love just from looking at the packaging is how compact everything is. It looks like something you could easily slip into a backpack, suitcase, or even a handbag. So basically, you're getting three solid round brushes in sizes 4, 8, and 12 with metal caps that keep the bristles safe and turn them into travel size brushes. So once you're ready to paint, just flip the cap around and you've got full-length brushes. You'll find all these informations on their website. I will include the website link in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. Let's actually put these brushes to the test. I'm going to try them out by painting and see how they feel in action. So after trying them out, I would say these Fuumuui brushes are a solid option if you are looking for something lightweight, compact, and still really good quality. Definitely a win for sketching outdoors or while traveling. And yeah, that's it for today. Let me know in the comment section what you think, or if you have tried them too. And see you in the next video. Bye.